Hello, I just want to make sure that you understand the assignment before you actually do the assignment. And so on the next page, you'll be able to see this, which is the FAFSA Student Aid FAFSA Forecaster Assignment. And the next page after this will be the FAFSA Forecaster tool, which is a tool that lets you know what your expected family contribution is. Now, your EFC is your how much money the school or the government thinks your family could contribute towards your education. So if it's high, they're probably going to give you more loans than anything. If it's low, they'll probably give you grants and scholarships. Anyhow, I do want to make sure that you use the instructions here and put Sounds of City College as your school because you are attending Sounds of City College. The cost is $14,000. The grants and scholarships, zero unless you know your amounts. Work study and loans, unless you know your amounts, put zero. Okay, so again, you'll start with the FAFSA Forecaster tool. Once you start, go ahead and answer the questions. After you answer the questions, you'll get your EFC. Okay, and so in this case, I started doing it. It's going to be different for everyone. So here you'll be able to see your EFC. So this is what I want for your assignment. So you could print it or you could take a screenshot of this and just submit it in your assignment here. Okay.